Now let's take a look at a hot springs Limelight control panel. So on this one, you have your hard buttons here, your jets options, lights and back, and then what we call soft buttons, these little ones here with the dots on them. If you wanted to turn your jets on, you'd press your jets. You have an option to pick all the different types, and you can turn them on or off by pressing the soft buttons. We're gonna go back. Your options button here gives you information on your temperature, your setup, and your saltwater system if your saltwater system comes in your hot tub. We'll talk about that a little bit later. To hit the temperature, you would press your soft button, and you go into your temperature screen where you can increase your temperature or lower it. The tubs do have an automatic stop at 104 degrees for safety reasons. And if you have a saltwater system, we do recommend not keeping it lower than 95 degrees. Temperature lock here is a function that causes the tub temperature not to be changed. It's a great feature if you've got little kids running around that like to press buttons. Here in your setup is where you have your spa lock, summer timer. You can change the brightness of the screen and some more options. Spa lock causes the tub to have all of the buttons locked out, so pressing won't make any of them work. It does allow the tub to still heat though. Summer timer is a mode that we don't recommend here in New England in the winter months because we get so cold, and it turns the tub so that it doesn't heat correctly. If you pressure more, you've got options for your daily lights, your language, if you're using vanishing act, and then the auto clean cycle. If you have a salt system in your tub, we do recommend having that auto clean cycle on. Then over here you have your lights button. This allows you to change the brightness of the lights, the color, the exterior lights, and then any rotation of the colors that you wanted. And then this clean cycle here with your soft button is a 15-minute time cycle of the jets. That's great to run after you get out of the tub. Let's go ahead and look at your salt system. Press our options and salt system. This screen here is how you control all the functions of your saltwater system. You've got your button to test the status, your boost button, your button to replace the cartridge, and your button to change your output level. The boost button is a 24-hour cycle that tells the tub to produce more sanitizer than normal. It's great when you have extra people using the hot tub, like during the holidays. You would use your replace cartridge when it's time to change your saltwater cartridge out. The level is how you change your output level. That's how you tell the tub how much sanitizer to produce for your family's usage. It's a number between 0 and 10. The test status button measures the conductivity of the water. Conductivity is important in your salt system because the more conductive the water is, the better the system produces sanitizer. You want to have your bar in the middle of the green. If it's to the left, then it's low on conductivity. If it's to the right, it's high on conductivity. If you needed to change it, the service department can walk you through that over the phone.